you that have never seen a Gymkhana course before. We gotta break them down a little bit, make things easy. Man, that just looked too smooth as we wait for Dakota's time. 29.75, 29.75 to start the night off. Best part is that we have over 3 competitors in one division. They're gonna come back again. Now we go to Youth Pit Bike from Stevenson, Chuck Lane Farms, New Edge Diesel, Clayton Mendoza. Clayton Mendoza opting for the no fender mod on the rear end. Turlock, he's awfully silent, but he can hear you. Oh, wheelie over the speed bump. We got to brake check these guys. 34.51 for Clayton, 34.51. And now we have basically anything over 110 cc's coming at you. And this is going to be a big class. Coming at you first in the over 110, Mason Betancourt, all the way from Livingston. Mason aboard a CRF 250. Motorcycle usually more adapted to jumps. We're going to have some motocross here tomorrow night, brought to you by ATV Racing. Rough go around the 4th barrel. We wait on the time for him. And to start things off with the over 110 class, 33.71. Your next gentleman coming up is from Delhi aboard a KTM 250. He must be an interesting man. He's got one name, and it's Brock. I feel like Brock's done this before. Definitely feel like Brock has done this before. Oh, he slides his way in. 4th barrel, little rough go. That is a deciding factor. 33.71 was the mark to beat. 27.71. Now we have a gentleman from the local motocross scene. He's been to Loretta Lynn's. He's been all over the place. Just jumped up into the local intermediate division after completely owning the novice class. From Modesto aboard Kawasaki 450, it's the Cowboy Ryder Rodriguez. Knew I recognized him from days gone by. Myself, I come from a motocross background. And that youngster was aboard a much smaller bike last time I saw him. 26.59, 26.59 for the Cowboy. And coming at you next, Nick Presto aboard another Kawasaki, opting for the 250 this time. 26.59, the march to be. Like I said, it's time to bench, just like Gymkhana on horseback, but instead of a horse, you have horsepower. Oh, that's too wide of a turn. We're going to start things off with dirt bikes. We got some side-by-sides coming up later, as well as some quads and things of all sorts of different sizes. Your next gentleman joins us from Atwater aboard another Cowboy 250. It's Maverick Shepherd. 26.59, hill with the Cowboy Ryder Rodriguez. Last time I saw him was at East Street MX Park not too long ago. Absolutely owning the 250C class. Now on board a Kawasaki 450, absolutely handling business out here on a Friday night to hang out with those of you at the Food Max Arena. Slow and steady every once in a while wins the race. Love the Cadillac graphics, by the way. Stock ATV up next. Looks like Josie